Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest budget or rather the entry level Note series smartphone from Xiaomi in India, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9. So Note 9 is being launched in India for a price of rupees 11,999. That's the pricing. So it comes within a full HD resolution display, the Helio G85 Octa core processor. It comes in 4 and 6GB RAM variants, and it has a 48 megapixel quad camera setup as well. So in this video we'll be looking at the unboxing. So this is the box package. So we get the device in different colors. We have the green, the black and the white variant. So we had the white variant. So you can see here Arctic White is the variant, 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage. Everything is mentioned in the box package. 48 megapixel AI quad cameras, high performance Helio G85 Octa core processor, optimized for gaming, dot display, full HD plus, Corning Gorilla Glass 5, 48 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel high resolution cameras, and we have splash proof nano coating, dual VoLTE with voice over Wi-Fi support, 50-20 mAh capacity battery and 22 watt fast charging. And you can also see that there is 9 volt reverse charging available, and a type C connector is included. So that's the box package, the box specification mentioned. So let's unbox this device. So now let's unbox this device. So opening up, so there you go. Let's take the device out. So you get this small box. So we have the case included, the standard TPU case included. Then we have the mention of all the SAR values. You can see here triple slot is included, 2 SD card and 1 dedicated SD card, 2 SIM card and 1 dedicated SD card slot is there. SAR value is SAR value head SAR is 0.853 and body SAR is 0.433. So that's the SAR value. Now let's take the device out. So there you go. You can see that it actually looks really good. The white variant looks pretty good. This is the Arctic White. You can see here dual tone finishing, and we have a slightly bluish tint on this white color. So we have the quad cameras, the fingerprint sensor, and it looks pretty good actually, the white color especially. It's a 48 megapixel sensor, and we have the fingerprint sensor also included here. So the display is a full HD resolution display. Now we have the charger. So this is the 22 watt adapter included with the box package. So you can see that voltage rating is 10 volt, 2.25 ampere. So that's the 22 watt charging available, and you get the USB type C cable included in the box package. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So now we have booted the device. So this is the Redmi Note 9. Let's have a look at the display. So you can see that the display looks pretty good. It's in full HD resolution. It has a Gorilla Glass 5 support, and the viewing angles are good. We have actually reduced the brightness for the video, so it looks pretty good. The brightness levels and the colors looks really vibrant. Now the build quality is, again, this is a polycarbonate material on the back panel. So this is a polycarbonate material. So it actually looks quite okay. It's not a bad one. It's not a glass one. It's quite a good device in terms of the build quality as well. It feels solid. It's a bit heavy because of the larger capacity battery probably. And the major difference with the Redmi Note 9 Pro are one is the fingerprint scanner has moved to the back panel, and we have a polycarbonate material on the back panel. That's one of the changes. Now next let's have a look at the software. So this device comes with Android 10, and you can see the about phone, MIUI 11 global, and Redmi Note 9, and Android version is 10, and the security patch level is from June 2020. So that's the hardware, and you get all the features you generally see on the MIUI. So those things remains the same, so no change in that aspect. Now you can see that this device also comes with a quad camera setup. So it's a 48 megapixel primary sensor. So let's have a look at the camera. So that's it. So you can see here AI mode, pro color mode, and video recording. Let's see. This does not have a 4K recording. That's quite weird. So probably that is attributed to the fact that this does not support, the processor does not support 4K, but you don't get 1080p at 60 fps as well, just 30 fps with electronic image stabilization. Now slow motion and all other features are included here. So let's have a look at some of the camera samples we have taken with this device. So we'll be doing the detailed camera review soon, so stay tuned for that. Now this device also comes with a 5020 mAh capacity battery, which is pretty good battery capacity, and 22.5 watt charging. We'll also be doing the charging test, so stay tuned for the charging test coming up pretty soon. So that is unboxing and hands-on with the Redmi Note 9, the new device launched in India for a price starting 11,999. This has the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. There is another variant 4GB RAM and 128GB storage, and 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. That's the one we have right now. So this will be available starting July 24th, and this will be available online on me.com as well as Amazon. So that is unboxing and hands-on with the Redmi Note 9. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.